Hello and welcome to this rather steamy weather update. Just as I expected today, it is a brutal day across our area today, particularly if you're in New Jersey. And we're going to go over some of these temperatures with you right now, actually. So first, looking at the Ventus sky, you can see temperatures are even in the 70s on Long Island, in the central part of Long Island, and the North Shore, and the South Shore. You have to go right along the immediate South Shore to really feel any true sea breeze with temperatures drop into the 60s. But of course, it's far worse as you head into the city. We're in the mid 70s, and in Jersey, it is 80, over 80 degrees in Toms River. So we are overperforming with the temperatures today once again. So let's go and look at some of the observations we have from our airport. So 67 degrees at Farmingdale right now. And look at the dew points up to 56. So it's humid out there too. So 67, and at Gabreski Airport, it's much cooler as you head east, so 57 in West Hampton. And at Islip, we have 64 degrees, and a dew point of 55. So again, it's a little humid out there, right? And then we go into the city where it starts getting warmer. So 76 degrees and a dew point of 54. And then, of course, we head over to Toms River, New Jersey, where it is 81 degrees. The dew point at 58, so it's actually steamy and humid in Toms River right now. West winds at 14, gusting to 21. So again, this is not the place you want to be. So let's look at the winter map here. We're going to look at some of the observations across our area. These are actual weather stations that are reporting across our area, and you can see here, and we're going to actually just zoom this in a little more. So show you here, unfortunately, even in the middle here of the island, we have some mid-70 degree readings, very warm, and nobody was predicting this except me yesterday. By the way, the Weather Service, nobody. I said it was going to be brutal today because the models are saying it was going to be brutal. All the models are saying that, sure enough, that's exactly what's happened. And when you took a look at the kind of air mass that's heading our way, you could tell that it was going to be a brutal day. So mid 70s, and like I said, you got to be right on the South Shore. If you're on the South Shore, if you aren't jealous enough already of the people on the Babylon branch, they're in the mid 60s right now. So you want to head to the South Shore, and if you're on the Bay Area Islands, like Jones Beach, you'll be in the mid 50s. All right, and we'll head further east. Again, you can see mid 70s all the way out to almost Ronkonkoma here. All right, and you got to be on the South Shore for the temperatures to be cooler in the 60s. So the South Shore is probably where I'll be heading as soon as I'm done with this weather update. I've got the air conditioner on. You got to have the air conditioner on today. It's brutal. Mid 70s, and again, this is only April. All right, finally cools off once you get into the east end. So once you get out toward Riverhead here, the cool air starts getting to the middle of the island, 64, 62, and you head out east even further. Oh man, aren't you jealous of the people out in Montauk? It's only 50 there. So yeah, really nice and cool out there. But for us, we are just dying in the heat, and it gets worse though, because in the city it's in the mid upper 70s. And then, of course, we head into New Jersey. And actually, it looks like there's a sea breeze on the South Shore of Staten Island, too, as well. So you got to be on the South Shore wherever you are today. But if you're in New Jersey, you got to be inside in air conditioning because we have a lot of 80-degree readings, 82, 80 in Toms River. No sea breeze, not even on the Bay Area Island, 80 degrees in Seaside Heights. So in Toms River, it's absolutely brutal. In the Pine Barrens, not a place you want to be today. 84, I'm sure the flies are coming out now. 83, we have some 84 degree readings. This is April. I'm sure some records are being broken today. So this is what's going on across our area today. Some really unusual heat, and if we actually throw in the dew point, let's do that. Can actually throw in the dew point, I think. Let's switch it over to dew point. These are the dew points. We have dew point 63, 63 degree dew point 62. You're looking at dew points in the low 60s in New Jersey, which is insane. This is summer weather we're having here, and very unusual. But this is what you can expect now with the changing climate we are dealing with. And even on Long Island, not much better with these dew points around 60 degrees. Again, slightly lower on the South Shore, which is where you got to go. So, again, as soon as I finish with this weather update, that's where I'm going to escape this. So that is going to wrap up this weather update. What a horrible day. If somebody calls this a nice day, I'm sorry. It's nice for the summertime, but not for this time of the year. And as we see the effects of climate change continue to ramp up, especially as we get closer to seeing an ice-free Arctic, this is the kind of stuff we can expect more of in our area. Just and of course the sea levels will rise too, so the South Shore is going to get affected one way or another. But that's going to wrap up this weather update. Try and stay cool today, and I'll have another one for you later on with the high temperatures that we experienced today. Very unusual and probably historic day across our area. Thank you for watching.